Bro, I wanted to tell you something earlier.
What is it?
I found a guy that I love.
A guy. What's his name?
He's called John, but they call him Tiger.
Tiger.
Yes.
What does he do for a living?
Actually, he's a gambler, and I don't know much about his background, but I love him.
Okay. Can I have his picture?
I don't have it yet.
Tiger. I know him.
Like how?
You told him to find a rich girl and get married to. He doesn't love you. He's after your money.
Bro, he loves me.
I can prove it to you. Take me to him.
Okay, I can.
When?
We can go now.
Now. Okay. Rocky!
Boss.
Soldier!
Boss.
Get the car ready.
Okay, boss.
I'm going to prove to you that he doesn't love you.
Bro, this is the house.
I forgot to ask if your name, Daddy.
Shut up! I'm not here for that. Where is he?
Where is Sue?
Where is he? You know who I'm talking about.
Where is Sue?
Where is he?
Where is he?
Bro, look there. Tiger!
Gun!
Tiger!
Get him for me! Get him for me!
Tiger, run!
Run! Run!
Why would you do that?
Go.
You want to kill him? Do you want to kill him or what?
You've destroyed everything.
Destroy what?
We'll talk about it later.
Let's go home. You want to kill him? Just like that. So what? Let's go.
Sister, do you now realize he's a big time cheat?
No, bro, he's not a cheat. He really loves me. You didn't even ask him anything before starting a gunfight.
So don't you understand? He came for me, not you. He's the owner of a big leakage group. He used you to get through me. Do you even know his real name? He's not John. No one even has his picture.
What do you mean?
Shut up! I'm a hidden scammer and he's a hidden journalist.
No, bro, he loves me.
Hey Rocky, did you take the laptop? If you didn't take it, then we're doomed. Get me some water to cool my temper.
Okay, boss.
Many people came to my life with guns, but couldn't do anything. But he used just a common word to trick me. Dear sister, I know he has broken your heart, but we'll kill him together, okay?
Okay. Bro,
Yes, what is it?
please, I would like to check something inside.
Okay. Don't take long, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Rocky.
Boss.
It's like my sister is taking long. Go and check if she's inside.
Okay, boss.
Boss, she's not there. What do you mean she's not there?
She's not there.
Better go and find my sister before the police get here.
Okay, boss.
How will she possibly be? Your phone is switched off. Who would this girl possibly be?
Oh, young love sometimes can be the most frustrating thing. Ooh, ain't that right, Adam? You're loyal and true, but she's not into you. Or is she? You'll never know. Cut your tongue, you can say your heart beats like a drum.
My brother.
Windows
Hello, handsome brother. How are you? I'm there around. Sitting at some place.
I've killed someone very dear to you.
What do you mean by that?
I've killed the guy called Tiger.
How? Why? When? Like, why?
There's no time to explain. I won't allow you guys to be in a relationship.
Ah, you are very wicked. Why do you have to kill him? Why you don't want me to be happy?
Why is your phone on the floor? Guess who I saw today?
What's wrong?
Baby girl, what's wrong?
My brother said he has killed Tiger.
What? When did this happen?
I don't know.
Then I saw a ghost.
What do you mean by that?
I saw him at the junction in front of his house.
Right now.
Yeah, when I was coming. In front of his house.
Then let's go before he leaves. Please, let's go.
Oh, young love sometimes can be the most frustrating thing. Ooh, ain't that right, Adam? You're loyal and true, but she's not into you. Or is she? You'll never know. Cut your tongue, you can say your heart beats like a drum. Windows beat round, olive eye looks inside your heart. Her eyes on the prize, so she'll never never recognize that you're bleeding by your side.
Tiger, is that you? So you are alive. Oh, Tiger. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You are alive.
What's wrong?
I'm so happy. My brother said he has killed you.
Kill me? How? How can your brother kill me? I can only die with spring.
Are you sure? I love you so much. Don't ever leave me alone. I love you. I want to always be with you.
I love you
I
too.
miss you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I was scared. I was so scared. I thought I'd lose you forever. Promise me you'll stay with me. Thank you. Thank you. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure you're okay?
When did you become a nurse?
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Thank God. I told you I'll miss you forever. I miss you so much. Thank God. I was so scared.
Amen.
Papa. Mahou.
Yoga.
Papa,
Yoga. I want to say.
I hope I'm not doing it. Answer.
I'm on you.
Pa. We there, Madame for the friend, Commander Sims. I'm in the word room. One case I need to hear. Uncle Poya, my wish, could a Juma Mensa, a kind and Juma. Now, Madame for a minimum. Nam say, a fan and cabbage. Papa, now, as a minoka say, why do you in here? Are they?
Come. The bed and imagine about her. And somehow, you know, and somehow, show papa. They make me tiffy drew. My yoke, human feared we are sound soon. Kwame, Ubato papa to me saying. But to me saying, Petiamity, did papa money. Kwame, somehow. Kwejuma no de ma ye nnume ho ma ye kwejuma bregu faso bia maso amane ma ye koko ma ye kofe kire se ndua ba me dua ye bia ni ho amfaso ba so ma se sika se memre ye se kwejuma ye adwuma a menim se me ye na nka da ache manya bi di abom ho bra ama mo so mo ho atom metie ne ye se we ba ekwa aburuchire we ba ko se nka me di mu akọ bi ankeye kwa me wo ba ye so se su mo kwa me nsam ha adwuno nsam ha pa Nyame de obeye
enche wonafi
da ben sa na ye ka efiri tete na ye ka ye ma se me mremfi adua sanso ni aye ko adwuma ba fem ne da ba biem na mre foforo baba
Papa. The best requirement. I'm a permanent beba.
yo kwada fom da ben fam ko
Nyame adoma
yo nyame ni mochi
You see, what your father said was true.
Yeah, everything is true.
The farmers are suffering.
Not only the farmers, everybody.
Every poor person in this country is suffering.
So what do you think we should do?
See, the guy that they call him Black Eye or whatever.
Yeah.
The guy that I told you about.
Yeah.
I have his laptop.
Oh, nice.
And we have to do something about it.
So, how do you go about this?
See, when we get to the office.
Okay,
Let's
then,
go office.
let's move. Tiger, you see this software?
Okay.
It can help us to, take everything from the man.
Okay.
No one will get to know about this.
Then you begin.
Okay. See the first face. No one will see about it. So, interesting. This is the final face. You see the name of the bank, the bank account, and everything is set.
So do you have the codes?
Everything is set. I have everything.
You start.
Okay. So this is it. Yes. So what do you think?
So use black eye, let's see.
Okay.
Oh shit! Vanessa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, this man.
Nessa.
Nessa.
Use Nessa.
Are you sure you have the name right?
Nessa.
Okay, let's go. It's now ready. Let's wait.
Wow. What's this? That red light.
Tiger, shit. The bank has been alerted.
Alerted?
If you don't end this thing now, they are going to get to know our location and what we are doing.
How? Off it! Oh God. What is this?
Tiger, don't worry. Trust me. I have different app that will handle this.
So what are we going to do?
Let's cut everything short and let's go to the shop.
So you mean tomorrow or
Let's go to the shop right now, and work on the things.
So that we'll continue this tomorrow. Right?
Let's go fast. So Tiger, this is the new app I was talking about. This one I can't say trust me on this because the first app fucked up. So let's go.
Okay.
Got the first face.
But it looks like yesterday's one.
Hey, this one is very different.
Yesterday.
This one is different from the first one I brought.
No backfire.
Oh, don't worry. This one is very different.
Okay, you proceed.
Let's go. Okay. So this is the final face.
I see.
You see that it's different from the first one.
Yeah, indeed.
So now we just need a password.
The password.
And I think the other time you said it's Nessa, right?
Yeah,
Let
use
me try the Nessa. It's now ready. Ooh la la! I told you, man. Tiger, what do you see? What do you see?
But wait. So all this money belongs to one person?
One person. In this country. One person. How did he get that money?
No.
As you can see, Tiger, I'm done with my part. So now what do you do?
See. Share the money to farmers, market women and men, and everyone. I mean every poor person in the country with mobile money or bank accounts.
Okay.
Except the politicians.
Those people, they are very corrupt. They are very, very corrupt. So what about those without the mobile money and bank accounts? What do we do to them?
You know something? Contact our guys.
Okay.
You know we have about 500 plus agents around the country. Contact them. Let them withdraw the money and leave it at the doorsteps of each and everyone. You know we have the details about every poor person. So let them deliver it at their doorsteps.
No problem. I'm doing it right now.
Just send a message.
Now everything is done. This man, we take him down. I told you to trust me.
Now, you have to drop the video.
Okay.
The video that we shot yesterday.
Okay.
You have to drop it tomorrow morning.
Okay. Agreed. Agreed. I will do everything. Don't worry. Trust me on this.
Okay.
Where is he?
Where is who?
You know who I'm talking about. Where is he?
After you guys chased him away, I haven't seen him.
Make him talk.
Where is he?
Oh, Charlie, I haven't seen him.
Why? Do you think we are kids here? Where is your friend?
After you chased him away, I haven't seen him. I swear.
I swear, give him the dollars.
If you show us where your friend is, then we give you this money.
If I show you where my friend is, you give me this huge amount of money.
Yes. Deal is deal. Where is your friend?
Okay. Then I guess I have to show you. So, money first.
Okay, then I'll give you half. When you show us where your friend is, then we give you the amount.
Okay. So after I show you where my friend is, I hope you give me the rest.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Not so fast. Get down!
Oh,
get down!
boss.
I said get down!
See me.
Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Hey!
Rubbish.
These guys have deceived me. They took the money and I showed them where my friend is. Didn't go sense.
Young love sometimes can be the most frustrating thing. Ooh, ain't that right, Adam? You're loyal and true, but she's not into you. Or is she? You'll never know. Cut your tongue, you can say your heart beats like a drum. Windows beat round, olive eye looks inside your heart. Her eyes on the prize, so she'll never recognize that you're bleeding by her side. She's blinded in a bath with eyes in the heart. You've tried so many times, so blind, so blind. She'll friend you, then frustrate you, embrace you, then estrange you. So blind, so blind. You've been in love, but oh, she's so blind.
Why are you doing here? You have betrayed me. Leave me alone. Why do you have to do this to me? I thought you
Yes, your sister.
Why?
Are you ready for the exchange?
Yes, where's my guy?
Styles, go and bring him.
You're a bad person. Tiger, how can you do this to me? Leave me alone. Leave me. Why? Why?
You don't keep quiet there, eh?
I won't come to you, a wicked person. I want to go to my brother. He's a wicked person. So you brought me a lot of days. Leave me alone.
Let him go. Why should I let him go? Unless you bring her.
Leave me, I won't go. I won't go to the brother. Leave me. Please, you're a bad person. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me.
Can't be serious right now.
Sit! You are grounded. You are not going anywhere.
I hate you.
Then why did you leave?
Because I love him.
You love with that foolish guy, Tiger.
I will leave today, tomorrow, and 10 times, 100 times. I will leave anytime that I'll get the chance.
Shut up! I'm the one taking care of you, and I must make sure you are safe.
If mom and dad was alive, will you be doing this to me?
Are they gone?
Yes.
You should have killed them.
What? Kill whom?
Shut your mouth.
I love this game.
The two of you go to hell.
Shut up! The next time you see them, don't spare them.
Don't worry.
Oh, young love sometimes can be the most frustrating thing. Ooh, ain't that right, Adam? You're loyal and true, but she's not into you. Or is she? You'll never know. Cut your tongue, you can say your heart beats like a drum. When those beat round, holy.
Hey, I said, my message on my phone, you see. Hey, Clara, my mobile money message you.
Nah, one of them.
Ah, meaning baby, a fro, meaning Paco.
Hey, bitch, me debut.
Hey, sir, and you see it in I. Mafia Jessica.
Jessica. Yeah, Jessica.
You suffers a lot, but gets nothing at the end. I hacked the most wanted criminal, Black Eyes bank account. So all the money you have received is from me. My father leg was broken because of journalism.
Hey, the worker say Ghana e someone sound. Yene kabi wom. Yene nyama papa ba ye mamu hu.
Keep talking,
boss.
And I'm gonna blow your fucking head.
Yeah, sorry, boss.
Hey,
yeah, sorry. Me banana.
Go down.
Let's go.
Hey, Ogili man, go down.
Boss.
Go down. Longface or whatever. Let me tell you something today. I have taken bribe. I have been unjust to the poor. Did you think he could publish all this without my notice? Eh? No, let me ask you.
Sorry.
Did you get paid to say the truth? No, me kura wona ye konkon. Ye tua okasa kan kura ebo a. Stop staring at me. How dare you? Let me tell you. You are just a journalist. Just. Read my lips. Just a journalist. And I hate to see anger in your eyes. You know something? I want you to fear me. And that's a must. I want to kill you.
Boss, I beg.
I don't want to kill you with my gun.
Boss, I beg.
Because I don't kill animals with gun.
I know.
Watch
boss.
me.
You be my boss, so.
Boss,
boss, what's up?
Unumai, well, no multimedia. Ha. What's the name? Mukudin class and be my papa or course. Papa J. So, I sent my boys to do that job for me. And Fana too, boss. Fana!
And everyone thinks it's not a job for their children to do. But I tell you today that journalism is patriotism. Paper, magazine, radio, TV, website are our assets. Every journalist in this country, identify your own self. Let the national anthem reverberate.
Sister, wait there, Abuwa me pa. Me show papa. Obi obi is going free ben. Me show no me yesterday.
Well. Whom do we have here? Pretty boy. Pretty boy.
Tiger. Bro. Oh, bro, you went too far.
I promise you we are going to kill him together.
Yeah, but bro. No, don't kill him.
I have to kill this shit asshole nigga.
How did I get here?
You want to know how you got here? I'll tell you how you got here. That was how you got here.
Well done, my boy. I have to appreciate your work.
Bro, if you don't put the gun down, I will kill myself.
Because of this shit asshole nigga?
Yes.
Please, don't kill yourself. I love you.
I love you too. Bro, you see, please don't kill him.
Baba, kill him.
Shut up! No, bro. At the count of 3, if you don't put the gun down, I will kill myself. 3, 2, 1.
It's okay. Now drop the gun. Yeah. Drop the gun. Bring yours down. Okay? Bring yours down. It's okay.
Baba, I'll kill you.
What's going on here?
For what reason?
Both of you have to die. I have to save my $1,000.
Hello? Yeah. Who be this?
I am doesn't matter. I have a work for you.
What kind of work?
The work doesn't matter. It will pay you $1,000.
$1,000.
Yes.
What do you make her do?
I want you to eliminate Black Eye, Eric, and us.
You want me to kill my boss?
Yes, Black Eye and us.
You deserve to die. $1,000 US. If you kill me, how are you going to survive?
I need that money. I need that money. So I have to kill both of you.
Rocky, put the gun down.
You have to die.
Put the gun down.
No.
Ah! Rocky! Rocky! Rocky!
Are you okay? Sorry. Are you okay? Is everything alright? Bro, you see what we've caused?
Tiger, do you love my sister?
Axel,
But she already said it.
we love ourselves.
Yeah, we do.
There's nothing I can do about it.
Get up. Sorry, okay. Sorry, okay. I love you.
I mean, so.
Treat me like you're a man. Take care of my sister.
I will.
Hi, Rocky. Rest in peace, Rocky. Till we meet again.
Black Eye.